The topic of today's video is how to get working coupon codes for Amazon. Now, I've mentioned before in a previous video that Amazon gives their promo codes to their affiliates, which they then share with their followers. However, you can also find these promo codes on sites like Groupon. Whether they're working or not, unfortunately, is up to you to test. So let's say we go into this one. And you'll see here there's an option, did the code work, yes or no? And doing this is just going to be very helpful for the next person to know. Now you can also head over to sites like Hip2Save, and I'm sure there are a ton of other options to get these codes, as well as just going onto Amazon and checking what promos they have running. But that's about it. There's no special secret to getting these codes. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.